Hi, this is Jasmine, back on YouTube. So right now I'm at my house. If you go to this YouTube account, you can see all the videos I'm gonna do. Today is going to be guess this slime. And if you guess it,
what do you win?
You're a lucky person. Guess this slime. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. What kind of slime is this? It feels funky. There will also be putty as well. If you got it, in my next video, I'll tell you if you got it correct. What kind of slime is this? I'll give you 20 seconds. In my next video, I will let you know if you got it correct. What kind of putty is this? 10 seconds. Okay. Guess this putty.
Magnetic? Are you recording live on my YouTube account? Who's getting it? What's this one then?
They're the same. Guess this slime. Might look white, but why don't you put it in the dark?
Hint, hint.
Okay, next up, I'm gonna have you guess another slime. Let me get it out of the container. Guess this slime.
It's pretty, but it looks so messy.
You might drink water, and what is that called? What is water? Hint, hint.
I gotta see the title in there. Which one did you pull it out of? This one?
No.
Oh, very good. Okay. Good hint. Oh, look at your picture. How cute, Jazz. How old are you here?
7.
You look so small.
Next up, guess this putty. It might look hard, but look. Wait. What type of putty is this?